Hi, today we're going to be taking a look at a review of this Cremo beard oil. Now, they have three different scents. This one is the Bourbon blend, which by far smells like, the best one out of all of them. And it even sounds like there was I don't know, Force, I think was one of them. And it smelled like freaking pine trees. I'm like, no way, this ain't Christmas time yet. And the other one was called Mint, which was, well, it just smelled like mint, you know? I mean, what else is mint going to smell like? I was like, nah, come on, mint for a beard oil? No, no, that's just not right. That's odd, weird. Maybe some sage for beard, oil and stuff. Like I have it here in this one. Like the fuzzy duck. Let's see what it says. What is this conditioner or beard balm? Yeah, cedarwood and wild sage. Cedarwood and wild sage, manly. Smells nice. But mint, nah, that's just it just didn't smell right. It was like, no, mint. And then forest was like pine trees. It's like, what did you do? Did you use some pine saw? Like, did you shower with a bottle of pine saw, man? Come on, for real. Did you rub up against some pine trees in the forest? And then you grab a handful of mint and just rub it all your beard? It was like, yeah, no. It just wasn't right for beard oil. You know what I'm saying? There's some scents and stuff that's kind of like, where you're like, okay, for my beard, it's gonna smell nice when people surround me and stuff. And there was some that's like, what? No. Like, if they had a beard oil that said, smells like feet and dirty, steamy feet from the gym, would you want to put it in your beard? No! No. Seriously, for real. Oh. If one said, hey, the scent is manure. Would you want to put some manure scent all your beard with some sweaty gym socks? I'll be like, no, get that away from me. You can put it in your beard, but that's not touching my beard. But yeah, a bourbon blend is like the only one that I could really recommend that's, has a great scent. So this is a 1 fluid ounce bottle or 30 milliliter, 30 ml. I got it somewhere at Walmart for about 11 something, so about 12 bucks, let's say. Kind of pricey for it. Like I say, short beards, long beards. As long as you can have something to call a beard, you can put this on. So let's kind of go ahead and take a look at it. So here's what the bottle looks like. Well, I'm saying, not that big of a bottle. And it is using an old glass stripper. Now, I will tell you this. The scent is phenomenal. It's an awesome scent. I mean, this is like a man scent. I would say it's something in a combination between a tobacco and a whiskey. They're saying that it's a bourbon blend. To me, it smells kind of like a sweet tobacco with, some alcohol. It smells nice. It doesn't smell like, how you think like a bourbon would smell or tobacco where it's like, oh, put that cigar out, man. No, I've never vaped and be with around cigars, so it's like, oh, that bourbon. Ugh. Smooth. You know what I'm saying? No, this is actually a pretty nice set. Although, pros and cons, pros and cons. Con, maybe a con, the price. The size of the bottle, con. There is another con, but we're going to put a pin on that. So, yeah. One good pro is the oil is not over greasy. I mean, like, I was using. Here's what I've been using. This All About Men by Upper Canada Beard Whisker Rebellion Oil. This stuff, as you can see, I use a lot of it. It's greasy, it's oily, it's kind of nasty, I would say. I mean, it's warts, but yeah. This one, it knows what to do. You just apply like maybe a dropper and a half onto your hand, because I have a big beard, so I have to use like not just a dropper, but another half of a dropper. And yeah, it goes in there nice and smooth. Beard, mustache, a little bit of sideburns. Get all that stuff in there, make it look nice and smooth. And yeah, it works. Because this one, like, oh, I gotta wash my hands with soap. I get a towel, and it's like, still I gotta wash my hands with soap. This one's like, yeah, just sprinkle a little bit of water on there, and you're good. So, not greasy, not oily, which is great. Something that you want in a beard oil. Combs for your beard nicely with your wooden bamboo beard comb. Can't remember what. I think this one I did get was the Fuzzy Duck company, because this ain't the Cremo or the Bulldog comb. So yeah, but yeah, I mean it's great. Although remember that little pin. Let's remove that pin now and get back to the con. That I told you that we're gonna get back to that con and something. Well, actually now it's more like a minute or a couple minutes. But yeah, that con I was talking about the scent. Remember how I said, oh, the scent's nice? It's good, but the scent only lasts for about maybe 15 minutes to about 25 minutes max. So this is something like if you're going to go into work and you're in an office or something, yeah, you want to put this beard oil when you're in the car, right before you're about to open the car door, head into the office, punch the time clock, put your lunch away, and say, okay, I'm here at work. Come on, let's get work done. 9 to 5. Then it's time to punch out. Yeah, the scent is a good scent, but I wish that the scent lasted a little bit longer. Because I'm saying pushing it 15 to 25 minutes. Yeah, I mean, especially if you gotta work and drive, that's over an hour away. People are not gonna notice that you have the scent. They're just gonna notice, hey, this guy just got some beard oil on. What's the scent? I don't know. It doesn't smell like anything. But if they're there, right next to you in the car, or about 15 to 25 minutes ago, they'd be like, hey, that, bourbon blend smells actually pretty nice. That's a nice smell. But, yeah, like I said, pro con, pro con, pro con. Smells nice, but you got within that 15 to 25 minute maximum time limit for anyone to, actually smell it. Otherwise, it's going to be like, just use a weather plain old unscented beard oil. So if you're like, I want beard oil, but I want something that's scented, maybe this one is the one for you. But then again, like I'm saying, within that 15 to 25 minute time frame, it's just going to be like weather old plain unscented beard oil. So yeah. So pretty much there's the pros and cons of it. Like I said, pro, not greasy or oily. Good scent is another pro. Cons, the scent doesn't last that long. Con, it's kind of a small bottle. Con, then, it's about $12 for this bottle. And oh, I've almost forgot to mention, another con is, the only place I've been seeing it for a brick and mortar store is, Walmart. I checked CVS, Kmart, Target, Myers, Walgreens. No, they all sell, like Bulldog, which is unscented, or like ones like this that's unscented, oils, or a lot of them, beard bonds, beard butters, beard creams and stuff. Not really any beard oil, and if they do have beard oil, it's, not scented. Which, I've seen like on Amazon and stuff, beard bonds and beard oils that are scented, it's like orange peel and lemon zest and, all that stuff. But like I'm saying, online. So yeah. So yep, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.